Good day everyone, in this video I will show you some tips for this watch Casio WS-1600H, and the first one is to switch from the 24-hour format to the 12 hours format. To do that, just press the start button on the timekeeping mode like this. So now it's switching from 20 to become 8 p.m. and so on. The next one is the button mute or the silent button operation. To do that, just press and hold the mode button like this. Okay, and we can see this silent icon. This means that the button operation is now mute. So if you press the button, there is no beeping sound. Okay, but anyway, for the alarm, hourly signal or timer, it will still gives a beeping sound. Okay, now let's turn off the silent mode or the button mute operation. Okay, and then let me return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, the next one is the LCD check. To do that, press 3 buttons at the same time: adjust, mode, and start, like this. Okay, you might need to turn the watch this way and then using these fingers to press the 3 buttons at the same time, and it will show this LCD check screen. And then press the start button to see the next screen. Okay, and then again, now we see this code, which is maybe the program code or the firmware code, and then again it will return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, and then the last tip is for the alarm sound check. To do that, press the mode button several times until we are in the alarm mode. Okay, this one, and then press the start button and hold like this. So now we can hear the beeping sound of the alarm, and this will change this setting for the alarm and hourly signal. So you need to press this start button 3 more times, 1, 2, 3, to return to the previous setting. Okay, now I press the mode button once more and return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, that's all for some tips for this watch Casio WS-1600H. Hopefully useful, and see you again in the next video. Bye.